This is my first time being in the Zombie community, like in America.
I see.
But back in India, I've been to Lanka, and yeah, I have so many friends out there. But here is like a different thing. You know, in America, people try to live like the real. I mean, I'm so sorry, but the real American people. You know, but the thing that I used to talk about, like the thing that I talk a lot is, you know. Yeah, I have so many culture shock because some people try to live like the real American people.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, we are zombie. You know, we need to know that. That's what I feel. I mean, if you're a zombie, just live like a zombie. So of course, you are a zombie American anyway. You know, even though you were born and raised here, still you are a zombie. So you have your own culture. So we have like the Zao people. We have like Puan, we say in Mizo Puan, like the wraparound, and then we used to wear tops on Sundays and everything.
I think that's in my country we call it Nick.
Nick?
Yeah.
Yeah, they used to say like sweet Nick too. Yeah, I heard. Yeah, I recall some of the words. Yeah. See, some people prefer to wear some other clothes. You know,
like jeans
and pants, and even to the church, even at the church too. So I was like, oh, back in Mizoram, we never wear pants. Like if you go to church, you're supposed to wear